Today I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate chip and chocolate muffins in an easy way with blender. It is very fluffy, moist and yummy. Just keep watching as you stay home with me. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. If you're new here, this is Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Like and share with friends. Without further delay, let's get started. Here are the list of the ingredients. For the full list of these ingredients, I'm going to put them at the description box below. In the bowl, I have the cake flour. To it, I add the baking powder and the salt. Mix it well. Then I take the mixing bowl. Sift the flour into the mixing bowl. Then set it aside. Here I have my stand blender. To it, I pour in 4 eggs. The sugar, the sunflower oil, vanilla extract, and the evaporated milk. Then cover it and blend all the ingredients together until it is light and creamy. As you can see, it is now light and creamy. At this point, I'm going to pour the wet ingredients into the flour mixture. And gently mix it well. Keep mixing the batter. Gently mix it well because we don't want to overmix it. Now I add 100 ml of warm water to the blender glass. Rinse it and pour it into the batter. I continue mixing it gently until all the ingredients are well incorporated. As you can see, All the ingredients are well combined. Now I'm going to scoop small amounts of the batter into a small bowl for later use. I have here the chocolate chips. Open it and turn them into the batter. This pack contains 100 grams of chocolate chips. With the spatula, I turn the batter until it is well distributed. Here I have 12-count muffin tin lined up with parchment paper. Using the trigger release ice cream scoop spoon to make my portioning very easy. Once the muffin tin is filled up, then I transfer it into the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. Then I repeat the same process with another muffin tin until the batter is finished. So for the chocolate muffins, I'm going to take the rest of the batter and I will add 30 ml of warm water to the cocoa powder. Then mix it well. My children like chocolate muffins and chocolate chip muffins, so I'm preparing both at the same time. So now I'm going to turn the cocoa mixture into the batter. With the help of my spatula, I'll mix it. I will just mix it a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, so I just mix it a little bit, then scoop it into the muffin parchment paper. Now that I'm through with portioning, I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate sprinkles on top of it. Then transfer it to the preheated oven. "20 minutes later, the muffins are baked. Look at how yummy and delicious it is looking. Please try this very recipe at home. Your children will enjoy the day with you. It is fluffy, it is rich. Just take a look at this. Oh yeah, chocolate. And you can see how rich, how yummy, how delicious it is. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with friends. Thank you for watching. Till next time, remain blessed and healthy. Bye.